Courtship is next on South Georgia's busy spring schedule. The Wandering Albatross has the most elaborate display. These two are renewing their bonds after being months apart. Wanderers pair up in their teens and can spend a further 50 years together. One of the longest partnerships in the animal world.
Woo! Loving it. Look at that.
By the middle of spring, the snows have cleared from the coves and the low ground. The beaches are almost free of ice too, but that isn't the biggest.
These guys kill me.
Penguins. Their peaceful waterfront has turned into an obstacle course of blubber.
Oh no.
The elephant seals have arrived.
Classics.
Now contains a greater mass of animals than any other in the world.
Oh my god, there's a million penguins and half a million of these fat slobs. Isn't it classics? Look at them, they're gorgeous.
The young seals were conceived here a year ago,
okay.
and now that they've been born, their mothers are ready to mate again.
Oh, okay.
The mating rights on this patch
God.
of the beach belong to a beach
Oh yuck, only a mother could love that.
50 females.
Yeah, what?
Females that are coveted by others.
You dirty man. 50?
His authority is being challenged.
Okay. Here we go. You want to root one of my women? Got any money? Well, fucking get out. Business. Look at this.
This could be the Beachmaster's first serious test of his spring campaign.
Look at this.
The Beachmaster himself weighs 4 tons.
What?
But this rival is his equal.
Whoa. Oh shit. Okay. Okay. We're gonna bash each other's necks, eh? 4 tons. Jesus, man.
When these titans clash, bones crunch.
Oh god. Jesus Christ, you're not wrong. Wow. Wow. Look at that, guys. Unbelievable. Look at that, guys. Oh, the power of the pussy, huh? Yuck! Whoa! Whoa!
He has won the first battle, but he may have to defend his harem every hour for the next month.
Every hour?
If he can stay master of his beach for this period, many of the young born here next year will be his.
What? Every hour for a month?